Okay, so three consecutive, we know that means that there's one after each other. Three consecutive terms of a geometric sequence are x minus 3, 6, and x plus 2. Find possible values of x. Well, if there are consecutive terms, then we know that u2 divided by u1 has to also equal u3 divided by u2. So because that would give us the common ratio. So remember, geometric terms are when they're multiplied by something. So the second term divided by the first would equal the third divided by the second, and so on and so forth. So 6 divided by x minus 3 has to equal x plus 2 divided by 6. Fraction equals fraction, so all we have to do is cross multiply. So we get 36 equals x plus 2 x minus 3. Expand using FOIL. And because it's a quadratic, we have to have it equal to 0. Okay, so 0 equals, and we're now trying to find two numbers that multiply to give negative 42 and add to give negative 1. So they are negative 7 and positive 6, which means the values of x are positive 7 or negative 6. Okay. Following diagram shows a triangle. The point D is so that AD bisects. Bisects means cut in half, and that was why this is if this is theta, this is also theta. Right. So we've been given some values, and we're told the value of sine theta. Okay. So if we're talking about the area of the triangle, then we're going to be using the area rule. So let me. Here we go. The area of a triangle is here. So the area of a triangle is a half AB sine C. Now, we need to remember here what's A, what's B, what's C. Well, if C is the angle we're talking about, this is the only angle that we can be considering. So if that's angle C, then these are side lengths A and B. So what we know is that 1 half multiplied by x multiplied by 2 root 5 sine 2 theta, note it's 2 theta because it's theta and theta, equals 5 from the given question. Okay, so far so good, but we know sine theta, not sine 2 theta. So back to the formula book, and we need an expression for sine 2 theta, which we have here. Now, in order, let me do this quickly. In order to use this formula, we need to know what cos theta is. So that's where we draw a little sketch of a right angle triangle. We know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so that means the opposite side must be 2 and the hypotenuse would be 3. Using Pythagoras, we know that this side here would be the square root of 3 squared minus 2 squared, which is the square root of 9 minus 4, which is root 5. And we can leave it as root 5. So that means that the cosine of theta is root 5 over 4 over 3. Okay, so sine theta is 2 over 3 and cosine theta is root 5 over 3. So now we can find an expression for sine 2 theta. So sine 2 theta is 2 lots of sine theta, which is 2/3, multiplied by cos theta, which is root 5 over 3. Let's simplify this. So we've got, that's over 1, 2 times 2, so that's 4 root 5 over 9. So we've established the actual value of sine 2 theta. So now we can stick that into the formula above. So we've got 1/2 multiplied by x multiplied by 2 root 5 multiplied by 4 root 5 over 9 equals 5. Let's try and do this as easily as possible. So we've got a denominator of 2 times 9, 18. On the numerator, we've got 1 times x times 2 root 5 times 4 root 5. So root 5 times root 5 gives us 5. So 5 times 4 is 20, multiplied by 2 is 40, multiplied by 1, so we've got 40x equals 5. Okay. There's several different ways of doing this. Let's simplify our fraction here. So we can divide both by 2. So we've got 20x over 9 equals 5. 9 comes up, so we've got 20x equals 45. X equals 45 over 20. Simplify that. So divide both by 5. So we've got 9 over 4.